Hello. Let's look at how we can find median from a frequency distribution table. Okay. And before we even come to the questions there, if you are given a frequency distribution table and you are finding the median, I think when you go by the formula, it will really help, as we did for finding the median from set of numbers. Okay. So as we are previewed to, if it is even, two numbers in the middle. If it is odd, only one number. Okay. So if we have our median, if it is from frequency table, then it is half of what? The total frequency. You know that when we learn a set of numbers, we use n. Here we are going to use sigma f, which represents the total frequency. So if it is odd, you add 1 to it. Position. Okay. If sigma f is odd, so you take note of this. All right. If it is even, that is where two numbers will be in the middle. So half of sigma f position and what? The next position. All right. If sigma f is even. So if it is even, that's where two numbers will be in the middle. So this becomes what? This becomes your formula. Okay, that is half of the total frequency, position, and the next position. If it is odd, you add 1 to it, and that particular position will be your median. All right, so let's go to the questions then. I believe you get it. So first of all, looking at the table, number 1, we have the age and the frequency. So 13 years, 10 people. That is the number of time 13 occurs. 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 5, 17, 3. So one, we should know, we have to know the total frequency. Okay, that is 10 plus 15 plus 16 plus 5 plus 3. So that when we get to know the total frequency, be able to know the middle value. So 10 plus 15 plus 16 plus 5 plus 3. That will give us 49. So 49 is odd. Alright, so it is telling us that only one number will be in the middle. Alright. So our median becomes what? Half of 49 plus 1. And 49 plus 1 will be 50. And half of 50 will give us 25. So the 25th what? Position. Alright, so our median, then where the position of the number is going to be the 25th position. Okay, so what we have to do is to cumulate the frequency. We will add the frequency to, because look, the numbers here in the table, it has already been arranged in order. Okay, and you see if it is a set of numbers, you have to arrange it in order, but the table has already been arranged in order. So what you need to do here is to add the frequency till you get to the 25th number. So 10. So the first 13 numbers, they are 10. So that is not where the median is. So you add 15 to 10. That will give us 25. Okay, it is telling us that the last 14th number will be 25. So therefore, our median is. So that is our median. The middle number is 14. Now, let's come to the number 2. So number 2 to the same thing. Let's check our total frequency. That will be 11 plus 12 plus 10 plus 17 plus 16 plus 15 plus 14 plus 13 plus 12. So we have 11 plus 12 plus 10 plus 17 plus 16 plus 15 plus 14 plus 13 plus 12. That is giving us 120. So our median 120 is what? Is even. So our median is half of 120, and that is 60. So the 60th and what? 61st positions. Because this is what? Because 120 is even, so there will be two numbers, the 60th and 61st. So let's locate the 60th and 61st. So we are going to add them till we get to the 60th and 61st number. So 11 plus 12, give me 23, I'm not there yet, plus 10, 33, I'm not there yet, plus 17, 50, I'm not there yet. So plus 16 will give us 66. Alright, so it means that since the median is at the 60th and 61st positions, so if you are getting 66, then the 61st, the 60th and 61st, okay, numbers are at the number what? The number 5. Because when you add up to the 4, okay, you get 50. It means that the middle number is not at 4. So we have to continue to add. And when we added the 16, we have what? We get 66. Okay? So, which is 60, we get 66. It means that the last 5 number will be the position 56. But because the last 4th number does not reach the 60, it means that the number which is at the 60th and 61st position will fall at the number 5. So our median, okay, there will be two numbers, and if all fall at the number 5, so our median is 5. Or you can say 5 plus 5, 10 over 2. It will still give you the same answer, the same 5. So our median is 5. Okay. If they don't all fall at the same number, and there are two different numbers, then you add the 2 and divide by 2. But because the 2 falls at the same number, even if I add and divide by 2, it will still give me 5. Alright. Sometimes, to assuming that when we're working in the 60th number, when you add it, then you get when you add from 11 to 7, let's assume that you have 60 here. And then, from when you add 11 up to 12, 10, and 17, let's assume that it is 60. It means that your last number at the 60th position is 4. And to get the 61st, you have to come and pick it at the next number, which is what? Which is 5. So that one, it would have meant that we have to add the 4 plus what? 5 and divide by what? And divide by 2. But because they all fall at the same number, then that same number becomes our median. I believe you get it. Let's solve the last question. Okay, and close. So the last one here, this is a group frequency distribution. So we have to find the median class. So let's find the total frequency. So that is 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. So 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 will give me 21. So our median is going to be what? Half of 21 plus 1. That will give me 22. And half of 22 give me 11. So that will be the 11th position. So let's add a 4 plus 5. Is what? It's 9 plus 7. That will give me 16. So it means that the median falls at the 11 at the class interval 11 to 15. Therefore, our median class is what? 11 to 15. So the 11th position falls here. Okay, so this will be our median class, 11 to 15. I believe you get it and you have understood. Okay, thank you for your time. I'll see you again. Bye bye.